Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can connect Canon SELPHY CP1500 to your phone. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the selfie photo layout. From here, just click on install, wait for the application to finish downloading, and simply right after, you want to head over to your selfie on-screen setting and make sure that the Wi-Fi setting is set to the direct connection. There's going to be the connection or pairing with your phone, so you want to go ahead and navigate through that specific option, and then from there we then have the ability to scan the QR code from the Canon selfie screen, and basically right after we will be able to pair both of these devices together. So of course, on your mobile phone, select the CP1500, connect and register the printer using the QR code, use the printer display shown right here, which is going to be this one. Click OK once more, allow, and then turn on camera. Once again, scan this and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.